Before we build binary number system, we have to look at the number system that we use daily and we know very well, that is a decimal number system. Let's look at it. If I write 527, how your mind understand that it is a 527? Why it's not making a mistake? Why your mind can tell that okay, this is 527? So in decimal number system, we have something called as base, and base is going to be 10. That means at every single position you can only have values from 0 to 9. There are 3 positions in this particular number. This is the unit place, this is the tens place, and this is the hundred place, right? So you have 7 here, you have 2 here, and you have 5 here. Now in the number system that we are using, the decimal number system, the base is 10. Now this number is represented like this. So for unit place, you have 10 to the power 0. For tens place, you have 10 to the power 1. And for hundred place, you have 10 to the power 2. Likewise, you will have 10 to the power 3, you will have 10 to the power 4, and it will keep on going. Take one more example. You have 3098. Now, how exactly are you going to represent this number in decimal number system? Where is going to be 3 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2, 9 into 10 to the power 1, and then you have 8 into 10 to the power 0. So it will look something like this. 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then you will have 9, 0, and you have 8. That's how you get this number 3, 0, 9, and 8. Makes sense, right? This is how decimal number system works for us. So at every single location, unit place or tens place, whatever the location that you can refer to, you can have 0 to 9 numbers only. The 10 numbers. Look at this particular location. What you have? 8. It falls under 0 to 9? Yes. You have 9. It also falls under 0 to 9? Yes. You have 0 here. It falls under 0 to 9? Okay. 3. It also falls under 0 to 9. Once you understand this, and once you understand for decimal, the base is going to be 10 because you only have numbers from 0 to 9, 10 numbers. Then you can directly understand what binary number system is going to be. For binary, base is going to be 2. So the numbers that you can have at any single position is going to be 0 and 1. 0 represent off and 1 represents on.